Okay, awesome work. Let's go over this together. How many students played tag? Well, we know that 5/12 of our whole 36 students played tag. When we even write that out, what do we remember? What does of mean? Of means multiplication. So I can multiply this fraction of this whole to figure out how many students is that. So 5/12 of 36, the same thing. It's the same thing as 5/12 times 36. 5/12 multiplied by 36. Okay? So now 36 times 5, you could figure this out to the side. I'm going to do it in my head, mental math. You could do that too, but prefer for you to write it out. 36 times 5, 5 times 6 is 30. Let me just show you I know some of you are doing it in your head the way I am, but it'll be quick for those of you who would like to see it written out. Let's just do it quick. 6 times 5, 30. 0, carry the 3. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3, 18. Bam, 180. So you got 180 divided by 12. Okay, awesome. So now we just have to divide real quick. 180 divided by 12. 12 cannot go into 1. That's too small. Put a 0. 12 can go into 18. So 18 divided by 12 once. Perfect. Multiply. Bam. And subtract. Bring it on down. Bring that 0 on down. Sorry, subtract 6. Bring it on down. 0 on down. And bring it on back. 12 goes into 60. How many times? 5 exactly. Perfect. Bam. Multiply 60 and subtract 0. And we don't need to bring anything on down and bring it on back because it's all 0. So it says that equals 15. 180 divided by 12 is 15. So perfect. So that is your answer for what we just figured out. The students who played tag is 15. So that fraction represents 15 students. Awesome. So 15 students played tag. You should have all this written out. You've been following along with me. If you have not, make sure that you do show all your work. Write out all the steps so that you can see what you did. So now that we know 15 students played tag, use the same strategy. Use what you know about kickball. Figure out how many students played kickball. Think about it. Think about what you just did. Think about how you can use that to figure out how many students played kickball. Calculate that, answer on the next slide, and we're going to go over it. Great work.